All right, folks, it's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. And you can see what I have here, a brand new Jeep Gladiator Overland. Gecko green. So let's take a look at the key fob here. You got your unlock, lock, remote start, and your panic alarm button. Let's take a look around. So you got the body color top there. Nice rims, nice tires by Bridgestone. Hitch on the back. Recovery tow hook. Right here, your hitch right there. 4-pin, 7-pin connectivity. Spare tire right there. Backup camera is right here. Nice Jeep badging there. You can get a spray-in bed liner put in here if you like. Power sliding window right there. It's -40 wind chill right now. And here's another Jeep Gladiator. This is the Rubicon. See this one in black here. I'm surrounded by the Jeep Gladiators right now. Here's another one in Sting Gray. Check that color out. Sting Gray. Good look around that one. This one, we got to get the snow off of it. Like I said, it's -40 with the wind chill here right now. Okay, so here's the look at the Rubicon. So you have the Fox shocks in there, a little more aggressive tire, red recovery tow hooks on the front. All Jeeps have 7 ports in the grille. Whew, my hands are getting cold, so I'm gonna have to start this one up. So we just press it twice here, and it'll start up for us. Very capable vehicle here. So you'll see on the side here, you have that for if you're hitting any rocks on the ground clearance. Other than that, you have the side steps here. It's for easy entry and exit. Let's take a look at the back. Let's unlock this. Full leather seats in here. This part will come down. And that's the bags for your top 2 parts right here that will come off in the roof. Speakers right here. Connectivity for your back seat passengers here, plus your 115 volt 400 watt plug-in, drink cup holders, extra storage here. These seats will fold, that'll fold down. Some of them have a Bluetooth speaker behind that one there. Oh, this isn't power, this is manual, sorry about that. Rear defrost. And we'll take a look in here. So, like I said, 7 ports and all. And let's take a look on the inside here. Love that Gecko green color. Oh, so we got the heat on fully here. Let's turn that down a little bit. Turn the stereo off. So you have your off-road pages here on this 8.4-inch Uconnect system. Off-road pages. Okay, so there's your drivetrain, your accessory gauges. You can measure your pitch and roll. That's, you know, if you're crawling over rocks. So we're on a 1-degree roll right now. 0 pitch. Here's your steering wheel with your cruise control. This one is missing the adaptive cruise control. Here's your settings that you can control that. Siri, oh, what's going on? Oops, I said, hey Siri, and then it kicked in. Okay, and horn, of course, unlock, lock, power, mirrors right here. We have a console right here on the top and bottom with more USB ports there. Glove box here. And so here's the window sticker for this one. Let's have a quick look at it. There's your warranty, 5 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever expires first, with 0 deductible. That's the powertrain limited warranty. 24-hour roadside assistance, that's fully transferable. Here's your gas mileage. This is in Canada, so it's governed by the government of Canada, so it should be pretty accurate depending on how heavy or light you are with your foot, but you should get around 10 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway, 13 in the city. That averages out to be about 12 or 23 miles per gallon. And here it is. So base price on this 2021 brand new Gladiator Overland trim level is $53, and this is all the standard features that it comes with: interior features, exterior features, and then you add your optional equipment, and there's the price there. So Gecko pearl paint, leather seats, trailer tow package, cold weather group with the heated steering wheel and front heated seats, your Uconnect 4 navigation and sound group, 8-speed automatic transmission, select track full-time 4-wheel drive system, track lock limited slip rear differential, Gorilla Glass, so that's new because the Wranglers and Gladiators a little bit more prone because of the angle on the glass that they can track rock chips a little bit more, so they've improved the glass. Body color Freedom Top 3-piece modular hard top, and everything else you see there. So that's MSRP is $62,790. Come in for your best deal and we'll talk about it. There's the Gorilla Glass logo right there. Okay, so did I show you everything on here? Probably not, because there's so much navigation. So let's just view the map here, and here's a little trick that they don't teach you, I don't think, anywhere. It's 2 fingers, and nice and responsive. It still has the plastic on it. It'll respond better once we peel the plastic off there. So you have Sirius satellite radio free for 1 year, and you can do all your channels. So hits on 2, 3 is Pandora Now, 4 is TikTok radio, 70s on 50s, no, 70s on 7, 80s on 8, 90s on 9, and so on and so on. But I recommend the Pitbull channel. Press and hold and it will be in there. You have comedy channels, you have so much. You can have your navigation inside there, or you can have it full screen. And what else we have? Your climate controls, touch screen here, or use your hard button controls right there. Before there was just low and high for the heated seats. Now there's low, medium, and high. And heated steering wheel, front defrost, rear defrost, passenger side controls, dual climate control. Here's your fan speed, automatic stop start, all your buttons here. Here is your 4x4, so if you want to be 2 high, 4 high auto, 4 high part-time neutral, or 4 low. And they have a manual mode, but this is an automatic transmission, of course. USB connections right there. Here's your power window doors. You can lock the windows. 12-volt controller, or 12-volt port, volume knobs. So I showed you some of that. More controls, backup camera, nice and big, and you'll see that it turns. So, oh, this one needs gas too. So we're gonna get some gas here, and so we got controls. We got there's apps on here, travel link. So when you get your vehicle, activate your Go services, and there's an app that you download called Uconnect, and that's Uconnect, the letter U, and then you can start your vehicle from your app, and you get 2-way remote confirmation that it's started. Satellite travel link, so you can check for fuel prices. I'm in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, so I can go by who has the cheapest price. I can sort by the closest distance. I can mark favorites. You can see the weather, so it's minus 26 with a low of minus 35. This is Celsius. Wind chill's much colder than that. And if you're traveling somewhere, if you're going to Edmonton or something, you can see where the snow or the ice, the rain is, and lots of cool things if you're traveling, sports, keep up to date. You know, you probably have that on your phone anyways, but this does have a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a lot more. But usually I just use satellite Sirius radio or navigation. You can do Apple CarPlay or Google Android as well. So there's a quick look. I showed you all that. This one you can set your settings right there. It says -3. You can change that. You can change this to miles per hour. You can change that to be range to empty, or whatever have you. You can do custom settings on there. And so speedometer, vehicle info, and you can go sideways on here too. Off-road, fuel economy, trip info, stop start, audio, Sirius satellite radio, messages you can store in there, screen setup. So you go inside there, and then that's where you do your settings. So I'll just give you an example of going sideways in there. Coolant temperature, transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil pressure. Okay, so there you go. Tire pressures, but I usually leave mine in the speedometer there. Okay, so that's a quick look at that. I'll put the window sticker up here and go outside, give you one last look at it before it runs out of gas here. We just got this one in. It's not gonna last long. If you are interested in this one, give me a call or text on my cell phone number, 306-341-1710, or go online, marksugarDrives.com, and yeah, we'll take it for a test drive. shut her down here. Push button stop and start. Whoa, shut her down. Okay. One last look around at all the Jeep Gladiators. Rubicon, Overland badging. Look from the back, look from the side. Dodge City, this is where we're at right here. Dodge City in Saskatoon. This video's been long enough. Gecko green. There you are. 2021 Jeep Gladiator Overland Gecko green. I can't even say that, it's so cold out here. Here's some Durangos as well. Check out the F8 green with the Mopar stripes. Ooh. Okay, I think it's time to go inside before I freeze. Oh my gosh, it's cold. This is our pre-owned department. On the other side, new vehicles arriving daily right here at Dodge City. Talk to you soon.